Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is our topic understanding our criminal justice systems. तो आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज शुरू करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is the role of police in investigating a crime? Answer. The police play various roles as follows. To investigate any complaint, they issue regarding crime. Any investigating includes recordings, statements of witness, and collecting different kinds of evidence. On the basis of the investigation, the police are required to form an opinion. If the police think that the evidence points to the guilt of the accused person, then they file a charge sheet in the court. But it is not the job of police to decide whether his person is guilty or innocent. That is for the judge to decide. Now, question number 2. What is the role of prosecutor? What is the role of public prosecutor? A criminal offense is regarded as a public wrong. What is meant by this is that is considered to have been committed not only against the affected victims but against society as a whole. Do you remember the case of the doorway death of Soda that we read about in the previous chapter? The case against the accused Lakshman and his family was presented by the state. That is why the case is called State Administration versus Lakshman Kumar and others. Similarly, the above case can be called State versus Shanti Hambariam and not Mr. Shindus versus Shanti Hariam. In court, it is the public prosecutor who presented the interest of the state. The role of the prosecutor begins once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. He or she has no role to play in the investigation. The prosecutors must conduct the prosecutions on behalf of the state. As an officer of the court, it is duty to act impartially and present the full and material facts, witness and evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. Now question third, what is the role of judge? What is the role of judge? It is very important question. The judge is like an umpire in a game and conducts the trial impartially and in an open court. The judge hears all the witness and any other evidence presented by the prosecutions and the defense. The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence presented and in accordance with the law. If the accused is convicted, then the judge pronounces the sentence. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes.